Okay, the setup we made, this is not intentional. I mean, this is not to make it dramatic and all.
Yeah.
Main reason is Naisha is sleeping. Hato, can you see her? पीछे देखो. That is the reason our volume is gonna be low. And where do we start?
Do you remember which year?
2000, I think 14.
13.
2013 or 14.
We were engaged.
We were not engaged.
We were, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, it seems we were engaged. I don't remember all
But
these
it
dates.
seems we were.
This is all true, what we're saying, alright? There's nothing fake. Actually, she was the first one who experienced this. So here's the story. 2013, oka Vennela Ratri. Actually, there is an apartment. My family wanted to invest into a property. This was somewhere around High Tech City. We had to go and check it out. Actually, she was at office. I picked her up and I took her to the apartment. We went in the evening around 6 o'clock. 6:30, something like that.
6:30-ish, yeah.
I parked the car down. This was the apartment. It was looking all fine, new apartment. There were like 6 or 7 floors in the building, and this was in the first floor. The owner of that apartment would come and show us. Both of us were waiting. We took the keys, went inside. We put the chairs. Both of us just like this, opposite to each other, not opposite, side by side like this.
No, I think I was towards the door.
So we were sitting in this room. Okay, there was a big hall first. Hall came out. There was one living room. There was a door exactly opposite to me. I mean, nothing like, we did not have anything in mind. We were not talking about anything like weird, anything about ghost stories and all that.
But I want to say something. We used to watch a lot of horror movies
Yes.
in those days, which is why you thought I was hallucinating.
Yes, I'll tell you that. So, firstly, when this incident happened, I thought maybe because we're watching a lot of horror movies, I was thinking maybe because of that, maybe she was hallucinating.
Yeah.
Or maybe even me. I'll tell you why.
Hmm.
I was telling her something, my career and all that, like deep
Actually,
discussions. Some deep discussion we were doing.
You know what the deep discussion was? Which phone I need to buy.
You.
Yes.
I was guiding her which phone to take and all this very seriously. But this girl, she was looking
So the
somewhere
door
else.
is there and this is Shriman. He's talking to me. Instead of looking at Shriman's face, I was going on looking there, the other side. Which is
She was
like
looking at the door.
Constantly.
This was first time, okay?
Yeah.
I caught her first time doing that. I had to call her like that. Otherwise, she's not concentrating about what I'm saying. I got irritated. I was like, I'm talking so much passionately about a phone and an upgrade and all that.
I'm getting goose flesh.
She's going on looking somewhere else. Second time again, I'm talking to her something. And then again, she was seeing somewhere with that freaky face like. Okay, one more thing to tell you here. Till this day, I never believed in anything ghosts, and trust me, I was against all that. My mom, one more thing. My mom used to tell us, not in this house, but our old house, somewhere around 1 kilometer from here. That house was like properly haunted. Not just my mom, but at least 11 or 12 people told us that that place was haunted.
You guys also encountered something, no? You and your sister.
Me, never in my life I encountered anything there. My sister did. My peddamma, as in what do you call, my aunt, my
Yeah.
lot of aunts
No,
and all.
but what
Whoever
about-
came and stayed in that house, they all encountered something in that house. Especially my mom, because we used to stay there. We stayed for almost, my schooling was entirely there, almost 12 years. All that time, mom used to tell us about all these ghosts and all she could see. She wanted to leave that house, but obviously I did not have authority to move from there. My dad did not believe in all those things. We had to stay there.
Yeah, and the first thing I asked you when we were dating is, did you leave that house?
The reason I'm telling you all this is because I never believed in all that until this day. Even her, actually, she did not believe all that ghost stories.
No,
and all
I
that.
always believe in good and evil, but I never really witnessed anything evil before. I heard a lot of stories, even in my own family. I did, but because I never saw anything, obviously I didn't believe it.
Okay, so coming to the story, and I got irritated. I'm talking to you, dude. Why are you not looking at me?
And I didn't even listen to that when you said that.
Even when I said this, she's still staring somewhere else with that kind of a face. Third time, before she could say anything, I could see. Okay.
I already have.
I mean, I did not see it like straight, but that door is here on my right, and I could feel like something is passing by, like a shadow that's trying to hide from
Actually,
us.
when you were talking to me, you were trying to talk to me, like you said 3 times, right? The first time I saw that so-called hazy figure, it was actually peeping like
Okay,
this.
let me now describe how it looks. And this is the scary part right now, because her description and my description were matching.
That's when we
Which-
realized it's there.
That's when I realized that what I've seen is real. So I felt something like that, something passing by all the time. And then near the door edge, there was some figure, like a shadow, crooked shadow. Okay, it's not like they show in movies. All that is bullshit. Seriously, in the movies, the way they show demons and all, maybe those also exist. But what we've seen is not that. It is like a dark cloud. Okay, a black cloud. Something hazy. For me, it was like a Christmas tree. Okay.
It was like a
It was
triangular.
sharp edges.
Not exactly, but kind of.
Look at this. A black thing and hazy. So I've seen literally from
It
the
wasn't
corner.
black, no.
It was black.
It was like dark, yeah, grey.
It was like a shadow. Okay,
Yeah.
but the shadow was not down on the floor. It was straight up.
It was straight up.
It was hanging in the air.
It was going on lurking.
Yeah, it was
Like
like,
that. It was going
from
on
the
doing
door.
that.
It did this. Oh god.
Multiple times.
Multiple
I
times.
saw
So that's what she was seeing.
That's what
I
caught
did not
my
see
attention.
it. I did not see it
because-
all the time.
Yeah, I saw it.
So last May, when it stood for a second, I felt it. I saw something there. And then to confirm, I looked at her. She was looking at that thing like that. And then I realized I'm seeing something which he's also seeing. I did not tell her anything that time because if I confirm that, is there something, if I would ask that question, she would freak out.
No, I kept saying that I think I saw something.
हाँ.
And he told me stop hallucinating. You're
Yes.
watching a lot of horror movies, so just chill. कुछ भी नहीं है वहाँ पे, he told me.
Yeah, she said that actually.
I told him no, I'm very sure I saw something because I kept seeing it every now and then. And then he was like, no, you're hallucinating. And after some time, I thought that maybe I was hallucinating because yeah, we would watch
Actually,
a
I
lot
made
of
her
horror
believe.
movies.
I made her believe
Yeah.
that she's hallucinating. Trust me, guys.
I don't think that
Definitely.
was a hallucination.
think-
There's a difference, and I've studied all this.
You see, if you believe in something, you might see it, right? Your brain creates all those hallucinations. But we were totally against all these things. Somehow we ended up seeing that figure. It was not causing any harm. We felt ki it was just lurking around. It was just peeping, and I saw it only once, like
Yeah.
clearly, like properly I've seen it. She saw it maybe 5-6 times.
Yeah, I remember even now. It didn't even come inside our room. It was
Yeah,
just
in the living room, it did not come.
It was just by. It was standing by the living room. You know.
Oh,
it
God.
was. It did not really come inside. It was just standing there and running around. So the funny part was that place. It didn't even have any, like, you know, sometimes when you have curtains, when you keep it open, you have some shadow coming from somewhere. It was nothing like, there was no light. So
No, they were like proper tube lights and all.
yeah, I mean niche.
And because
So
it
there
was a new apartment,
yeah.
we wanted to check it out. We went and switched on all the lights. Okay.
So guys, I think it's a myth that you see maybe spirits or ghosts only in the night. I think they can
this
come
was proper
anytime.
7
actually.
o'clock in the evening, yeah.
Yeah, it was. I remember.
6:45,
I remember
7
correctly,
o'clock.
It was like no, it was just before we left. So that was around 7:20ish.
7:27
was
that we
just
left.
like, yeah, we left. How tell them that?
Okay, so
This guy was free.
no.
More than me, he was. kicked
Seriously,
out
yeah,
later.
that is the first time in my life I've experienced something unnatural, supernatural. I was like blanked out. I couldn't speak.
He told me, let's leave right now. The way you said let's move was like you just want to get out of there.
Yeah.
That left me puzzled. I was like, what happened
She
to
was like,
him?
what happened? Let's sit, let's wait for the builder. I'm like, dude, there is a ghost inside. You wanna sit here? I
And
didn't say
because
it to
he told
her.
Me, yeah, because he didn't want to tell me so that because I would freak
Obviously,
out.
she would go mad that time.
I would freak out because
Already
I'd
she
seen
was
it many
seeing
times.
things. If I confirm that, yeah, there are some things here, she would faint. Now is the funny part. There's a huge hall in between this living room where we were sitting and the exit door. The huge hallway I need to walk, and that is where I've seen this ghost or whatever you want to call it.
The figure.
This figure
The
or spirit
figure.
or what. Now the scariest part is I have to switch off the lights and go out. And I have to walk the entire hallway in dark. I was imagining things now. I'll switch off the light. I'll keep walking in the hall, and what if something comes up like this? Seriously, man, it was so scary. I was shivering, like literally shivering. I asked her to go out and stand.
And honestly, I didn't understand what
I
was
switched off
with
the
the
light.
strange behavior. I didn't understand.
She didn't
something.
understand,
I was like,
obviously.
this guy pagal ho gaya,
She's
kya
like,
bola?
"Arey, itna time we are waiting. Let's wait for some more time.
Huh.
The builder might come. Let him show the apartment
Obviously, it
properly."
made no sense. No? And especially because you dismissed my so-called thoughts as hallucinations. So I was like, okay, I'm hallucinating. Let's go.
Yeah, she was cool.
I was
She
cool
was
after a
absolutely
bit.
cool.
I was fine.
She went out. Now I switched off the light. I came running out.
Yeah.
It was all dark.
You was running. I asked him, why are you running?
I ran out, came to the door. I couldn't lock the door. My hands were shivering.
His hands were kind of shivering. Essays.
I was like, where is the ghost? Is it beside me? Is it behind me?
And then he asked me twice, you're there, no? You're there, no? I'm like, I'm here only. They were like,
I seriously couldn't put the key in the hole. I didn't even wear my socks, didn't even wear my shoes. I took it in my hand and we both ran. She doesn't know what's happening. She wore her shoes aram se.
obviously.
Cool, super cool. We just walked on. We handed over the keys to the watchman. We said we'll come back again. We spoke to the builder and all.
Joke.
My car was there. Accent. Sat. Started the car. Chup chap. Nikal gaya udhar se.
And we
After
were-
2-3 lanes, there was a dark straight road driving. And all the time I was looking. You know that movie is there? What is it? Kareena Kapoor ka?
Talash.
तलाश में जो वो पीछे बैठती I was thinking maybe something is in the car, so I was looking in the rear view mirror. every 2 minutes.
I definitely found your behavior very strange that day.
Yeah,
I mean,
after-
until you told me
After
something.
leaving that vicinity, I asked her, "Did you feel anything strange there?" But I leave it. I was hallucinating. She was saying. I said, "You're not hallucinating. Even I've seen it."
And then I was cold.
She was like,
I
"What?"
I freaked out and I was not screaming, but I think I was shocked, completely shocked. And I was just
Oh
like,
my
oh
God.
my God, oh my God.
Khatam. Immediately, I messaged my dad. That time it was not WhatsApp and all, SMS. I sent my dad an SMS. He doesn't believe even till date. Only because I said it, he believes it. The reason for that is he strongly knows that I don't believe in all these things because I was always against everything. Like anything supernatural, I was totally against it. But that day changed everything for me. I mean, if I could see something supernatural right in front of my eyes, I think I started believing all these things now. I told my dad, there is a freaking ghost in that apartment. We're not gonna buy it. He's like, he rubbishes all this away. Especially when my mom used to tell him about all these things, he was like, she is also hallucinating. But when
No,
I
that's
told
also
him,
because I think in your older house, dad never saw anything.
yeah,
So
he
that-
never saw, even till date, he never seen anything.
Yeah.
And let me tell you that you guys know that I keep roaming all over India. So for example, if you go for a trip, say, Ladakh trip or Sikkim trip, it's almost 22 days of a trip. And 22 days, we stay at 22 different places, 22 different hotels, right? None of these hotels or anywhere did we experience anything. There's one more story actually.
Hey, no, I experienced. What are you saying?
Oh, not you. Okay, your story, our case ka story, maybe that's a different vlog.
In
But
Nubra Valley.
Nubra Valley,
The place we stayed
never
was
spoke
spooky,
about
man. I
it.
think we girls too, we experienced
And
it.
during the Ladakh trip, it was
bathroom was
twice
scary.
actually. You can ask Srujan also. Actually, I'll make that video along with Srujan. Srujan and I experienced in Delhi. I mean, we did not see anything then, but we experienced. But I did not tell him anything because already they know this story, my high-tech city ka story. So I thought maybe they'll think I'm a fool every time talking about ghosts and all. So I chupchap, I sat and did not tell him anything. But next day morning, he told me he was feeling something weird in that building. See, this happens when you go to a lot of places. When we travel like this, I told you, right, 21 days, 21 hotels, we get to experience a lot of different things, but not all the time goes, you know. But
Yeah.
2-3 times I experienced
Some
something
sort
like
of
these.
negative vibes.
Negative vibes.
Need
yeah.
not be like a ghost
Yeah,
per se.
you need not
but-
see something
Yeah.
like a shadow like we've seen physically in this apartment. But yeah, that was scary, man. The apartment thing, that's the only time I've seen a physical ghost, like a physical structure, a figure, whatever
But
you
the
want to
ghost
call
was
it.
cute, no, it didn't do anything.
It was cute because it didn't do anything. If it did something, then you would definitely
Then I don't think we would
freak
be
out.
no, we wouldn't be recording this right
We
now.
would be recording उतना कुछ नहीं करते, but
अच्छा तो मैं बोल के बोलेंगे ना ghost उतना नहीं करेंगे.
they'll come and scare you and all that, like freaky
You
faces.
never know, yeah.
Okay, that is like one scary episode we had. After that, I never faced anything. Like till date, touch wood, I don't want to experience. But I got a little bit resistance towards this. Okay, actually, we were recording and unfortunately this stopped recording. Sony mein there is one problem. Not a problem, but there is some setting where every 30 minutes it stops recording.
She's saying,
Our baby got up.
we
No,
said
Naisha.
that we become more bold
No,
now. We
Naisha.
don't get that scared, and such things do exist, is what we said.
Yeah, so
Beta.
basically, no main thing. So I was saying ki a lot of you people.
She wants to say,
I
Okay,
would-
she's saying hi to all of you. That's nice. She was hi.
So what I was trying to say is ki there might be some of you people looking at this video and thinking these two guys are sitting and talking all crap. You can absolutely say that because if this incident didn't happen to me, if I didn't experience something like this, even I would make fun of someone who is saying all these things. So so in case you want to make fun of it, you can make fun of it, but truly this happened to me. And okay. Hi. Oh, you're saying hi to the
She's
camera.
like, hey, what's up? Hey,
Anyways,
what's up?
let me end the video here in case you have liked this video. You should like this video definitely because we took a lot of effort to make this video by not switching on the lights properly, only one light source.
Yeah, by the
And
way,
because we disturbed our baby,
and
please
yeah,
hit the like button and go.
By the way, it's really late in the night also.
It's almost what? It's almost 1 a.m. in the night and we're disturbing our baby.
Kucho par.
Our baby, our baby, our baby. Bye, Naisha. Bye. Yeah, we're using this one light source and one background light. Everything is dark. Chalo, bye bye. Good night. Take care. If you like the video, we'll make the other episodes as well. Our total ghost experiences. But properly, physically, I've seen only once. You've seen twice?
I felt it very strongly.
So in your life, only once you've seen it?
I've seen it only once.
Like properly?
Yeah.
Like a shadow.
Yeah.